In my previous video, I've shown you how to stop files from going to OneDrive. However, in the comments, somebody has asked me how to prevent files from downloading from OneDrive to your computer. First of all, if you will go to your OneDrive folder on your computer, under the status, you should be able to see different symbols. The solid green check mark means that this file or folder has set up to always keep on this device. If you would right click on the folder, you could see the check mark next to always keep on this device. If you would click on it, then it would remove it from always keep on this device. Then as you can see, the status symbol has now changed to a green check mark with a white background. That means the files would still be on your computer, but it would not automatically download it back to your computer in the future. And finally, if you see the cloud sign under the status, then it means the file is still in the cloud and is not downloaded to your computer. And in order to download the file from the cloud, all you got to do is to double click to open it, and then OneDrive would automatically download it to your computer. So to prevent files and folders downloading to your computer, find OneDrive on your taskbar, click on it, click on the gear icon, select settings, go to sync and backup, scroll down, expand advanced settings, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you can see under files on demand, there is an option called free up disk space. Click on it. So it basically means the files that are already downloaded to your PC would be removed from your PC. However, they would still be available, but just as online only. That means they would have the cloud status, and whenever you want to download them to your computer, you got to double click to open them. But most importantly, the files and folder that were set to always keep on this device will change to online only. Just bear in mind that all these folders and files would still appear in your computer, but they would not be downloaded to your computer. So click on continue to remove the downloaded files from your PC in OneDrive, and then you can close this. I hope this addresses the viewer's problem, but if not, please let me know in the comments and I will try to help further.
Please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here,